السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. مرحبا بكم في درس جديد على قناة تعلم مع أيوب. Welcome back to Learn with أيوب, and today's lesson is about similar sounding letters pronunciation. Then let's start. In previous lesson, we studied the Arabic alphabet with pronunciation and with short vowels. Today's lesson it will be about sounds of letters that are similar. We should know that Arabic has two types of letters. Heavy letters such as kha, sad, dad, ta, dha, ghain, and qaf. And the rest of letters are light letters. Sometimes we get confused by pronouncing the heavy letter as light letters or the opposite. So let's take examples. I made here families of letters that we pronounce sometimes similar, even they are different. And we have the first example, Hamza and Ain. Then Hamza, A, Ain, A. Sometimes we pronounce A as A, and which is wrong. The second family is Ha and Ha. And what makes us confuse these letters? Because they come all from the throat and they are very close to each other. That's why sometimes we confuse the pronunciation and the sound of letters comes as they are same. Next letters, Kaf and Qaf. Qaf is heavy letter, Kaf is light letter. And since they are very close in the articulation point, sometimes Qaf, we pronounce it like Qaf, Qaf, which is wrong. Kaf and Qaf, heavy. Next is Dal, light letter, Dad, heavy letter. We have also another family of letters that sound similar, Sin and Sad. Sin is light letter, Sad is heavy letter. Next set of letters is Zal, Za, and Va. The and the, they are light letter. Va is heavy letters. And since they have the same makhraj or articulation point, so sometimes we confuse that we pronounce ذال as za or as va or za as va. So we have to differentiate between the light ذال, za, and va, which is heavy. And next letters is ta and ta, and it is same thing. Ta is light letter, ta is heavy letter. And let's take word examples, and we start with Hamza and Ain. The first word we have Asad, lion. Asad, lion. As for Ain, I. Let me say a. So we don't confuse Ain. We don't say Ain, but we say Ain. If letter has kasra, we say Ijas, pear. Ain with kasra, we say Inab, grape. Inab. No, don't say Inab, but we say Inab. As if the letter has dhamma, we say udhun, ear. علبة. علبة for can. Then let's repeat these words. أسد, عين, إجاز, عنب, أذن, علبة. The next letters that are similar sound is ha and ha. Ha, ha. Ha is deepest sound than ha in makhraj, in the articulation point. So let's take example for ha with fatha. حشرة, insect. For ha we say هدية, gift. So حشرة, هدية. If letter ha has kasra, we say hi, حصان. For horse, hilal, crescent. And we don't say hilal or هدية, but we say ha, هدية, hi, hilal, crescent. If letter ha has dhamma, we say hu, hoot. Example for fish, hoot. As for ha with dhamma, we say hudhud, huppy, hudhud. And we have حشرة, هدية, حصان, هلال, حوت, هدهد. As for next letters, we have kaf, light letter, and qaf, it's heavy letter. And let's take these examples. Ka with fatha, we say ka, kalb, which means dog. As for qa, qalb, heart. Then we see that this words is like rhyming words. Only difference is the kaf and qaf. And sometimes we confuse qalb and we say kalb. And if we say kalb, then one hears us, we cannot know if it's qalb or kalb, which is dog. So we say ka, kalb, qa, qalb. So we make the qaf heavy. As for kasra, ki, kitab, kitab, book. قطار, قطار, train. We don't say kitar, but we say قي, قطار for train. As if ending letter is kaf, malik, malik, king. If the ending word is qaf, barq, barq. So we pronounce the qaf heavy. Barq means lightning. So we say malik, light, barq, heavy. So let's repeat. كلب, قلب, كتاب, قطار, ملك, برق. We came to the end of today's lesson. Hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Until then, I see you next time with the rest of letters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.